guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an exciting project lined up for you guys. Suparee was awesome enough to send us a pair of these 7-inch off-road lights. They are super bright. They have two modes, a high beam and then a spotlight. Now, that's not all. What we're going to be doing is giving away a pair of these lights to a lucky subscriber. But in order for you to win, you have to comment down below and hit the like button. So let's get those things installed, and good luck to everybody.
All right, so this is what's included in the package. You have your two lights and of course your hardware, whatever bolts you need to install, and the bracket. It's a simple bracket. Now the only thing that this doesn't come with is the wiring harness, so you're just gonna have to figure out how to connect it and where you're gonna connect it to. Now what I'm gonna be connecting it to is the auxiliary switches in my Jeep right down here. It's going to be either 2 or number 4. I don't know yet, but that's where I'm going to be hooking it up to. So let's go outside and start installing the brackets. So I think I'm going to install the lights right here, 1 and 2, around the winch, because if I put it up here, I'm not going to have enough room to put a bolt through that bumper because of the light bar. So what I'm going to do is put the light right over here, and I think that's the best place for it. It's away from everything, it's out of the way, and it's going to look better than up here. So that's where it's going to go. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to drill the bracket and secure the bracket on the bumper right here, and the other one is going to go right there. We're going to put the bracket here and mark where we're going to drill right here in the middle, and then right here we're going to do the same thing on this side. There you go. Let's go ahead and start drilling. The first one is done, and now we're going to move on to this side. There you go. Now let's put the brackets on. All right, we got the bracket secure. Now we're going to tighten it up. All right, this one's secured. Now we're going to move on to the other side. All right, let's get the other bracket installed. All right, we're going to secure these lights with the bolts that were provided to us. They go in a little tight. I'm going to secure it with the washer and the other bolt. There you go, super tight. Oh, that looks good. All right, so that's one. Now we're gonna move on to the other side and install the other light. All right, light number 2. There you go. Both lights are on. They look really good. Oh, that's nice. That's definitely nice. All right, let's wire them up and test them out. The way we're gonna wire it is I'm gonna wire the high beam with the spotlight on together. So that's why you have to connect these two cables together. And this is going to be your ground wire, the black one. So I want all the lights to be on at the same time as soon as I press the switch. I don't want to use up an extra switch in the car because I might use that for another day for something else. Let me put this together. I'm going to give it a good squeeze. There you go. Put the sleeve on. And then we're going to heat this up to secure it in place. All right, now we're going to connect the lights to the auxiliary switch. So I still have two left. I think this is the 10 or 15 amp, and then this one is, I think this one is a 30. I'm not sure, but I guess we're going to hook it up to the bigger one just to be safe. A shrink sleeve so everything looks nice and neat. This goes in here. Give it a good squeeze. All right, now we're gonna heat this up and it's gonna shrink. It's gonna look nice and neat. This is our positive wire. It's connected to our auxiliary switch and it's nicely done. Now we're gonna move on and connect the negative wire to the negative terminal. One of those right here. Okay guys, the lights are installed. This is the final product right here. Look at this, it looks awesome. Let me show you how it's connected. Right here in the back. You can't even see it. The wire goes right over here. You put all the wires inside a braided sleeve. And then from here, it goes under the hood and connected into the auxiliary switch. Now let me show you how bright they are. They are super bright. They look like laser beams actually. So when it gets darker, I'm going to test them out at night. Again, if you guys want to win a pair of these lights, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment down below. You got to comment to win, and then we're going to pick a lucky winner. All right. All right, guys, the moment we have all been waiting for. Let's put my low beams on. That's my low beams. Now let's put my high beams on. Those are my high beams. Now let's turn on the Suparee lights. Boom. Those are pretty bright. You can see those two laser beams right in the front. Now let me turn them off and let me turn off all the lights.
Now let's just put the Suparee lights on. Look at that. That is incredible. Those lights are crazy bright. I highly recommend them. And if you guys want to win those lights, again, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and make sure you leave a comment. Once you leave a comment, we're going to pick a lucky winner and send them out to you. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.